Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. If you're new to this channel, I welcome you all, where you will find lot of videos related to Ho'oponopono healing, manifestation technique, and also numerology videos, where you can go through them, apply them in your life, and attract lot of success. But if you want faster, quicker results in all areas of life, in your health, relationship, career, and money, then I welcome you to join my daily sessions that I take from Monday to Friday, which will give you a lot of good, quick results in all areas of life, and then you can transform your life to a better person and attract lots of abundance in your life. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you that everybody is manifesting certain goals, desires, isn't it? They have lots of dreams and they want to fulfill all their wishes. But in that process, there is lot of negativity happening, and we really don't want that to happen. We have to come out of it so that we can be on the track of manifestation and quickly achieve lot of good things, being positive. So let's do Ho'oponopono for all those things that the negativity appears in our manifestation process. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the manifestation that is going on, whether it is positive or negative, that I'm attracting. I'm sorry, universe, for being so doubtful in the process of manifestation and doubting my beliefs, my not trusting myself. I'm sorry, universe, for having so much of doubts, so much of negativity within me, with the process that is I want to achieve certain goals, but that is having lot of negativity when it comes to practice, when it comes to apply them in my life. I'm sorry, universe, for procrastinating things that requires for the manifestation process, that requires certain things to do regularly, and I'm not doing it. I'm really sorry for it. Please forgive me, universe, for doubting all the process. One day I'm doing manifestation technique, and some days I'm doing very correctly, but some days I forget. I keep on doing some doubtful process, and that makes the manifestation technique or manifestation in my life delay in my life. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me that I am not taking inspired action for all the manifestation that I want in my life. I want to achieve lot of good dreams, desires, goals, but I am creating certain doubts, beliefs, and that is not happening in my life. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for all the wrong things that I am doing in this process of doubting, criticizing, blaming, and complaining. But thank you, universe. I know now that I am so powerful now, that the healing is making me so clear. It is giving me clarity in life, and it is telling me to heal from within and keep practicing all the techniques, manifestation techniques, consistently. So thank you, universe, for all your strength, guidance that you're showering on me. Thank you for the power that you have given me again to believe in myself, to take inspired action, and then the outcome is amazing, fantastic. So thank you, universe, for all your support that you're telling me to do, heal from inside, and do lot of good work in this process without any doubts. I love myself. I love the process of manifestation. I believe in it strongly now, and I'm going to take inspired action and never doubt the process, never doubt the universe, because it's going to help me in achieving all my dreams, desires, goals quickly, and I'm going to lead a very wonderful, fantastic life. So thank you, universe, for all the things that you are making me to do, that you are helping me to heal from inside, so that I remove all the negativity and achieve only abundance, abundance, and abundance. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, my dear universe. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you to the manifestation process that I am wishing for. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love myself. I love what I'm doing. And I'm sure that with all the good things, good consistency in my life, I am achieving lot of growth, success, and abundance in all areas of my life. So thank you, universe. I love you. I love myself. So take a deep breath and release. So when you do this with lot of good faith, good vibes, good positivity, I am sure that all your manifestation dreams, desires, goals that you are looking out for is going to come in your life soon with that practice that you do. So I hope this video helps you, and do share it with your friends or relatives who are in the process of manifestation and they are doubting this process. So let them also view this video so that they remove all the negativity and attract only success and growth in their life. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.